Last video I finished up with all the wood cutting and putting in the magnets and LEDs and all that. The last thing I have to do is just wrap this. I'm gonna do this part carpet. This part will be vinyl. It'll actually be a red carbon fiber look. And this part will be black vinyl. These are the 3 different textures that I'll be using. This is what I'll be using to put the vinyl on. Alright, the first thing I gotta do is just tape off the sections in the back that I don't want to get the spray glue on. Put the spray glue on, let it dry for a little bit, and then tack on the carpet. I did a little bit of spray painting right here. The reason I did that was because when I had these pieces on here, you could still see a little bit of the MDF, and I wanted to cover that up without having to rewrap everything. So I just left that spot there and that spot there. The only other one I'm kind of concerned about is around here. The gap's a little bit big, so you might see some of that, but I'll probably just do the same thing and do spray paint there as well. thing I gotta do is redo this floorboard right here. When I did originally, I had just black carpet, so I want to use the gray one so it matches the rest of the build. So it took way longer to finish this. A lot of it had to do with how much time I spent having to edit it. And then other things getting in the way, life getting in the way, I guess you could say that. Well, I wanted to call this a refresh rather than a rebuild because I didn't change the entire thing. And really it was just the beauty panel that I changed out, but learned a few things on the way. Just want to point out a couple things. Carpet didn't really match up with the rest of the trunk carpet here. It's pretty off. I mean, it definitely doesn't match, but I think it'll be all right. I actually just bought a Tacoma. I've never worked on a truck before, so hoping to see what I can do with that. I mean, there's a lot less space in that truck than there is on this vehicle, so we'll see how that goes. It'll probably be a little bit before I get to that though. Gotta get this car sold first. But until the next build, that's about it. So if you want to see anything in the future, just stay tuned.